Welcome to today's video on motorcycle winter preparedness, focusing on two essential strategies, using a trickle charger versus removing your battery. As temperatures drop, it's important to prepare your motorcycle for hibernation. The first method we're discussing is using a trickle charger. A trickle charger is a device that connects to your battery, providing a steady, low-level charge to keep it topped up over long periods. This approach prevents the battery from self-discharging and maintains it in optimal condition. Most trickle chargers automatically switch to maintenance mode, preventing overcharging, making them a popular choice. Now let's talk about the advantages of using a trickle charger. First, it's convenient. Simply connect it and your battery stays healthy. No need for constant checks. Second, it's easy to use. Most models come with user-friendly connectors that attach to the battery terminals without much hassle. Third, it extends the battery lifespan by ensuring consistent power, reducing the risk of sulfation, which is the buildup of lead sulfate crystals that can occur when a battery is undercharged. On the other hand, we have the option of removing the battery entirely and storing it indoors. This is a straightforward method with its own set of benefits. It eliminates the risk of the battery freezing, which can happen in extremely cold environments. Storing the battery inside, in a controlled environment, can also protect it from harsh winter weather, potentially prolonging its life. Removing the battery also prevents any parasitic drain that may occur from devices like alarms or clocks on the motorcycle. This is a straightforward method with its own set of benefits. It eliminates the risk of the battery freezing, which can happen in extremely cold environments. Storing the battery inside, in a controlled environment, can also protect it from harsh winter weather, potentially prolonging its life. Removing the battery also prevents any parasitic drain that may occur from devices like alarms or clocks on the motorcycle. However, there are a few considerations with this method. Removing the battery requires some tools and effort, depending on your bike model. Additionally, it means you'll need to remember to periodically check and charge it manually, which some might find less convenient than a trickle charger. In conclusion, both methods have their benefits. If you're looking for convenience and minimal intervention, a trickle charger is likely your best bet. But if you prefer to play it extra safe against freezing temperatures, consider removing the battery for the winter months. Whichever you choose, ensuring that your motorcycle's battery is well cared for will have you ready to hit the road again when spring arrives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle tips.